So we got this young man in here driving again. We got Brandon in. He's kind of whipping it. So we want to take our time, right? He's driving real nice. Oh, good video. So you're going to go down to the stop sign. After you stop, you're going to go straight. Really good speed control. He's the defensive driver. Always be aware of pedestrians in the area. Doing a great job. One had a complete stop. Got to see the car. Good. 3 seconds. Good. Go up to the next stop sign, please, for me. Good. You're going to make a left-hand turn. The thing I like about Brandon, he's checking his traffic. A lot of beginning drivers do not check traffic. So he's going up. He's looking. Yeah, this is the tricky one. This is a difficult one. Nice. Great job. At the light, I need you to make a right-hand turn. Good speed control. He's looking, checking traffic. You can see his observation. See him looking to the left, looking to the right. He looks again. Green light, turning in the nearest lane. This man is driving really well. Okay, good. I need you to get into the left turn lane. You're going to be making a left turn at the light. You want to go in when the line is broken. So you see his speed control, his timing. He does those mirror checks. Nice entry. Yield to oncoming traffic. And once it's clear, make your left turn. Take your time, young man. Be safe. Good. There's his cap. Go all the way over to the right for me, please. Beautiful job. Follow the road. Go all the way around. Yep, follow that vehicle. Really good speed control. He's driving really nice. Thank you for the blinker. A lot of drivers go on this road and they typically go over speed, so be careful. Good job. Really nice speed control. Also, a lot of beginning drivers tend to stare at the speedometer. Try not to stare at the speedometer. Try to look ahead, check your surroundings, see what's going on. We're just looking over here. We got a double yellow line, which means you can't pass. We have a broken white line, which means you can make lane changes in that direction. It is a little bright out here, but we have an unusual sign. This is a warning sign of a blind driveway ahead. So it's a really sharp S-curve, and you as a driver have to be aware. Good, he's doing a nice job. Real nice speed control. I've seen a lot of drivers lose control on this road, but this young man, young Brandon, he's doing really well. He's taking his time. Car's nice and smooth. So as a driving instructor, we want to see our students be smooth, take their time, be patient, and we want to continue. So he's going to have some surprises in a moment. So we're going to kind of walk you through this. At fast food places, people are sticking french fries up in their nose. They're not paying attention, and they'll roll right out in front of you. So what I'd like you to do is get over one lane to the right, please, because a lot of these cars are turning left. Good. And then he looked and checked this blind spot. Nice job. And then we have the see, there's another car. Good job, young man. Checking those blind spots. Good. I like his patience. That was really good, Brandon. So you have to be patient when you check your blind spots. And then at the traffic light coming up, you're going to be making a left turn and getting on to the expressway to go see our friends in the north. Do you know who that is, Brandon? Our friends in the north?
Right. Canada?
Yes! Oh my God! Yes, you love your history teacher. That's me. Yes, those are our brothers and sisters to the north. We're going to go see Drake too, right? So yeah, so at the light, you'll make a left. And Brandon is really smooth. He's taking his time. And then he's slowing down gradually. Good. And we just want to take our time. We want to build good habits not to run lights. You have a turning arrow here and there on a timer. The max time is 120 seconds. And this car does have auto shut off. I know it's so quiet. Right. So they're really good. So the blinking yellow means we yield to traffic, which he's doing. He's moving forward. And then once it's clear, then he'll make his left turn and go out to the expressway. Nice job. This is going to be a really, oh, young man, you're a little fast there. But you're going to see Brandon get up to speed and merge out really nice. Nice job. Then you're going to see him accelerate, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, see him check. Nice job. Nice blind spot check. Good job. So now he's on expressway. My look for is, as the teacher, can the student get up to the speed limit? Well, he's going a little bit fast again. He likes to go fast, so that child will keep him modest. So the speed limit warning sign is set at 75. So Brandon hit that for 1 second. Would not cause an issue, but he's dropping his speed back to about 70, and he's doing a great job. When you can, I'd like you to make a lane change to the left for me. Good blind spot check. Really nice job. Nice. Oh, he likes that gas again. we gotta get him to have a little bit better speed control. And beginning drivers, and that's someone with less than 10 years experience, have that. But Brandon is doing well. He's taking his time, nice and smooth. Doing a really good job. He's got great observation skills. We already know what that is again. So it's really easy to go over. You just have to learn how to have your good speed control. And he's doing a really nice job. The lane to the left is the passing lane. So if we're about at 70, they're about 77, 75. So you never want to be in that left lane unless you are passing vehicles. So he's just doing a really nice job. Man, that car's in a hurry up there. So they cut us off, cut the other car off. Excellent. So what I need you to do is continue. Eventually you'll have to go over to the right. You got about 1.5 miles. So take your time. What I'd like you to do, if you can you get over 1 lane to the right for me? He did his mirror checks. Good job. Checking his traffic, checking his blind spot. That is nice. You're going to get off at the exit coming up. This is the cloverleaf. So we want to see if yes, right here, this exit. Nice. He checks his traffic. He's going in slow. We'll take a look at his speed and make sure he's good. Then now he's on the DXL. Good. And we have our chevron alignment signs to the left. Really sharp curve to the right. His speed's pretty good. He's nice and smooth. He's at 35. Doing a good job. He's looking ahead around the curve. This is a really sharp curve, so we don't want to overpower the vehicle. He's doing a great job. Nice. Good. And then you want to get over 1 lane to the left for me, because this lane does take you back on the expressway, and we're not trying to do that. Perfect. Good job.